Everyone, we are starting it off on a daily time frame on Bitcoin to see where we left off from yesterday's dump. We are actually sitting above some local support, which is good. We are trying to see if we're going to test into the 62.3 today. It's possible before the daily close, so just be aware of that. Today, Mr. Powell is going to be speaking, so of course that's going to bring some volatility to the markets. Be aware of that. Aside from the daily, looking like we have resistance above us at 67.5 and support below us at 62. Where we close today is going to be very, very important for the future of the week price action. Looking quickly here at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are flirting with the local lows. As soon as we lose this 65.6 with the 4-hour open and close, gunning down to the lower level near 60K is very, very likely and possible. It's also the last wick over here, so just be aware that that is a possibility, and that is something that maybe will give you a nice long scalp bounce back to 65K from 60. So that's a $5,000 move you're potentially looking at, all right? So keep aware of that. Now let's go quickly take a look at Bitcoin on a daily time. Bitcoin ETH on a daily time frame. And ETH a little bit weaker than Bitcoin, already putting in a little bit of that bounce over here at that 3,300 area, which we were looking for from yesterday, from that 35. Well, if we can close today's daily above 33, I would be looking for us probably testing back into 35 and seeing if we get a rejection and then a rollover, possibly to the $3,000 level. If we're gonna get that, that will probably be happening by the end of the week this week. Once again, it's only if we close a daily underneath 33. Looking at the local time frames here at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that that bounce over here at 32 is pretty healthy. As long as we don't close underneath 3,200 at 4-hour open and close, I would be looking for us to go test back into resistance around 34.50, and I'll be watching the reaction here at 34.50 to see if we're going for upside or no. If we get back into 3,200, keep in mind that the 4-hour open and close underneath that will gun us probably back down to 3,000. And then from 3,000, we can see if we're going to go lower or not, as opposed to finding some support here at 3K and maybe putting a dead cat into 32 and then rolling over. So just be aware that right now we are putting in a bounce. We don't know if that is going to be the true bounce, but it is a higher low, which is healthy for continuation back up. The daily close today is the most significant thing that I can say as to where we will go for the rest of the week. And then you can see Dixie also is coming off of that 105 level, giving us an opportunity to get a little bit of a bounce to the upside on Bitcoin and ETH. So just be aware of that. Aside from that, everything else is probably getting hit in the market due to us being at very all-time high area, including gold. But today, depending on how Powell addresses the interest rate cuts, and if he puts more water on the fire that, hey, we are probably not going to have as aggressive cuts as the world expects, price will get priced into the markets today on his words. So please be aware of that moving forward. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to go over any other assets if you guys have requests. And yeah, other than that, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as I drop them. And yeah, if you're interested in trading with us live, feel free to join us on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.